you do need that insurance to perform as it's supposed to perform. And you need to protect your $30,000 car, $15,000 car, $60,000 car, whatever it may be, because you want it to sustain the value of your vehicle. And the day that you sell it, now there's proof that it's been in an accident, right? With technology, back then in 1980, you could wreck a car and no one would know except you and the guy that maybe repaired it, you know? And maybe an expert that might notice it. But now there's CarMax, the data shared everywhere, so your vehicle's diminished in value. So you want to make sure that you're able to illustrate that it was repaired at a sophisticated, professional, expert collision center, and you used the very best parts that were available, and you were able to get that through the appraisal clause. Because insurance companies are still using parts from junkyards, used parts from junkyards, right? And golly, you didn't think you were going to get a used car from a junkyard, right? When you bought your policy, you had no idea when you were making your $400, $500 a month payments, $900 a month payments, that they might put used parts from a junkyard. And you know, sometimes, usually, they don't work very well. And they're in a junkyard, which means, well, how bad did that car get in an accident to end up in a junkyard, right? So I'm all about recycling. Like, I'm pretty much a recycling fanatic, right? I recycle all my plastics, all my cardboards, and I'm all about recycling. But for automobiles, highly engineered vehicles, right, there's a lot of safety involved, and you want to provide parts and quality that's going to last not just this month when you pick up your car, but not just 3 months, not just 2 years, not just 3 years. I mean, 3 years, 36,000 miles, that's the standard warranty. Well, my truck's a 2016 and it has 149,000 miles, and I don't think I've done very much to it. Maybe added some rotors, some brakes, maybe a strut or two, and it's well. So having the good quality parts, a vehicle can last for many years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years without any major expenses. So we as experts owe you quality parts, and the insurance company owes you quality parts, plus all the additional tests, safety tests, and operations that your car may require. So I want to get into that a little bit more at our next episode. Stay tuned.